Let's make a simple okra fry. Take a cast iron pan, add 2 spoons of oil, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 spoon urad dal, 3 dried red chilies, a handful of curry leaves and 2 large onions. Chop this into fine pieces and fry this until it turns golden brown. Add a little bit of turmeric and salt for the onions. Roast this well before adding the vegetable. Today I've taken about 250 grams of lady's finger. Cut this and dry it on a plate for about half an hour so that the slime leaves quicker. Roast the lady's finger really well and wait for the slime to leave before we add the spice powders. I'm salting the okra right now and I'm going to fry this. Using cast iron is best when you're making a simple okra fry. It makes your work easier and it tastes delicious. Now it's time to add the spice powder. I'm using 1 spoon of chicken masala or meat masala and a half a spoon of chili powder. If you don't have meat masala, you can skip and just stick on to chili powder. Fry this well for a minute and this is almost done. Before we turn off the stove, I'm adding 1 spoon of desiccated coconut. You could also use freshly ground coconut. Give this a toss and your simple okra fry is ready.